Hi, so this is going to be a makeup tutorial run through on how I got this purple smoky eye. And this look was inspired by a look that Kathleen Lights did, but she didn't do a tutorial. But so I was inspired by that look, and if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching.
Alright, so first I'm just starting off by priming my eyes. So I did put on a Becca primer, Ever Matte primer on my eyelids because they do get oily, and I'm just using this double-ended brush to spread out the concealer, and I'm using LA Girl Pro concealer in a lighter color than my complexion, and I'm using the bigger end of that brush to put on the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but you can use any concealer, any translucent powder, or any primer. This is just to prep my eyes for the look. And now I'm just taking this dark black retractable lip liner slash eyeliner, and I'm going to use that as the basis for my eyeshadow. It's going to create a foundation for the darkness of the smoky eye. So I'm just taking that and putting it on my lid, making sure to keep it below my crease. And next I'm about to just use a thicker dome shape shading brush, and I'm using that to blend out that black color, and like I said, I'm keeping it below my crease. Now I'm going in to the Tartlette Tease palette, and I'm just using a less dense brush to pack on the BFF purple color, and you can use any color you want. For this look, I'm just using what I have. Like I said, this is an inspired look, so I'm using what I have to try to replicate the look of what I'm going for. And I'm just using the very tip of that brush to pack on the color, and I'm putting it right at my crease. Now I'm taking this Love Letter pink, bright pink color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I just also showed the brush that I'm using. It's a more flat on the sides shading brush. And I'm packing that color on the outer ends of my eye, and then I'm using the fluffier part of the brush to blend it out. So I'm packing the color on, and then I'm blending it out through my crease on the outer and inner corner. So now I'm just going into another palette, and I'm getting this purple shimmery shade, and I'm just using that color with my finger to pack it onto my lid. And I'm packing on a hell of a lot of this color. I really wanted the color to show through, more so the sparkle than the actual color it was. The sparkle itself in the color makes it more brighter, so it opens up the smoky eye. And then I'm going in with a Makeup Forever matte black shadow, and I'm taking a smaller Morphe blending brush. It's pretty small, and I'm using that to deepen up the color, and I'm also keeping that below my crease. Keep blending, and then I'm using a bigger Morphe blending brush, and I'm going in with Warm Taupe and Sienna from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm putting that above my crease and also mixing it with that darker pink color to keep it blended, to just make sure it looks softer up top. And that's the look, and I'm just gonna do my other eye off camera, and this is how it comes out. Later on, I do use a more pink color in my inner corner to brighten up the look. And here I'm just taking cotton pad and some makeup remover, and I'm just cleaning up the outer ends of my eyes, and I'm using the cotton pad to also create the shape that I want, that more cat eye look. I'm just going to moisturize my face right now. And then I'm going to prime it. I use Smashbox Blur Primer. I'm using my Maybeline Superstay foundation. It's in the color Truffle. It is the right color. I'm just making sure I get it all over because once it dries down, it's definitely going to, you know, blend all the way in. And this is Tart Shape Tape, and over that I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I believe this is the color Fawn. It's the same color that I used on my eyelids. I'm going to reverse contour. That's what you see me doing now. I'm blending it out with a thicker blending brush, and I'm also going under my eye and making sure I, you know, make that cat eye more prominent with my eyeshadow. And now I'm taking a NK eyeliner in purple, and I'm using that to color my waterline. And then I'm going to smoke it out with both a black lip liner, and then I'm taking all the shadows from my top lid and putting them on my bottom lid to blend out those colors, and then smoke out my lash line to complete the look. And now I'm just taking more black eyeshadow, and I'm going to also put that black shadow on my top lid as well, just more smoking it out on my top lid as if I'm using a liner. And I'm just contouring my face. I'm going for a very overdone type of look, so I am using a lot of products, and I'm going in to make sure that my contour is on point because I needed my face base to match my eyes, because we're doing extra with the eyes and we're gonna go extra with the face. I'm just contouring my nose with that same powder, and this is the Black Radiance powder. It's in Black Coffee. This is the color I use to contour or bronze when I want a more deeper dimension in my face. And then I'm just using a more fluffier brush to blend out the contour on my nose to make sure it's hella blended. Can't be looking crazy. And I'm using 3 highlighters today. I'm using a LaBronze from Artist Couture, and then I'm going over top of that with Bronze Glow from Bobbi Brown, and then I'm just using a Fenty highlighter. For my lips, this is a more muted pink. This is a NYX Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick. And then over top of that, I'm using a Sephora lip stain liquid lipstick in number 19. It's a purpley color, but I didn't really like the way that came out. It was too bright for me, so I was trying to dull it down with a more pinky color from Kat Von D, and then I hated that too, so I ended up putting 0.0 all over my lips just to mute out those colors, because 0.0 is a more like gray toned dead lip looking color, so I knew it was going to balance it out. And then over top of that, I wanted glossy lips, so I'm just taking the Fenty gloss, the first one, and putting it on my lips, and that's the finished look. Like I said, I went for a very, very extreme, extra, really glam look. So all the products will also be listed below if you are curious. I hope you liked it, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.